What if I told you I stopped using ChatGPT for most of my daily workflow? Yep. After spending months using AI tools every single day, I slowly switched to Claude for writing, brainstorming, and even content planning. Now, before you get angry in the comments, this is not a hate video against ChatGPT. Both tools are powerful, but in this video, I'll explain why I switched, what Claude does better for me, where ChatGPT still wins, and which AI tool might fit your workflow best. So originally, I used ChatGPT for everything: scripts, emails, ideas, content plans, research, even client work. And honestly, it was amazing. ChatGPT changed the way I work completely. But after a while, I noticed something. Sometimes the responses felt too robotic, too structured, too repetitive, especially for long-form writing. I wanted something that felt more natural and human. Then I tried Claude. At first, I didn't expect much, but after a few prompts, I immediately noticed a difference. Claude's writing style felt smoother, more conversational, and more natural, especially for YouTube scripts, blog writing, storytelling, brainstorming, long documents. It felt less like talking to a machine and more like collaborating with a real writer. The biggest reason I switched? Long context. Claude handles massive amounts of text extremely well. For example, you can upload long PDFs, huge scripts, research documents, meeting notes, entire projects. And Claude remembers context surprisingly well. With ChatGPT, sometimes I had to repeat instructions or re-explain things. But Claude felt more consistent during long conversations. As someone who works with content creation, freelancing scripts, and client projects, that became a huge advantage. So here are a few areas where Claude feels better for me personally. 1. Writing tone. Claude sounds more human and less robotic. 2. Long-form content. Perfect for scripts, articles, newsletters, storytelling. 3. Understanding context. It remembers details better in long chats. 4. Cleaner responses. Claude often gives simpler and more readable outputs. And honestly, sometimes ChatGPT tries too hard to sound smart. Now let's be fair. ChatGPT is still incredible. In fact, there are areas where I still prefer ChatGPT. For example, coding and technical tasks. ChatGPT is amazing for coding help, debugging, automation, technical explanations, plugins, and tools. ChatGPT has a larger ecosystem and more integrations, speed and features. Sometimes ChatGPT feels faster and more polished. Creativity. For thumbnails, ideas, hooks, and marketing angles, ChatGPT can be insanely creative. So no, Claude is not replacing ChatGPT completely for me. Here's the truth nobody talks about. The best AI tool depends on your workflow. If you write a lot, create long-form content, or need better context handling, you might love Claude. But if you code, automate tasks, need advanced tools, or want all-in-one features, ChatGPT might still be the better option. There's no perfect AI tool, only the tool that helps you work faster. So that's why I slowly switched from ChatGPT to Claude for most of my workflow. Not because ChatGPT is bad, but because Claude fits my writing style better. At the end of the day, both tools are powerful. And honestly, the smartest move is to try both and decide what works best for you. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below. Team ChatGPT or Team Claude? See you in the next video.